Hello gals and guys, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. We're your go-to channel for all things natural and budget-friendly. I'm Kelly, and today we've got a special treat for you. We're going to talk about 3 or more effective and budget-friendly DIY bug repellent solutions. Summer's here, and with it comes sunshine, barbecues, and, well, bugs. Those pesky critters can definitely put a damper on any outdoor fun. Keeping them at bay can be tricky and expensive. Don't rush out and buy pricey bug repellents. We've got some fantastic, effective, and budget-friendly solutions you can whip up right at home. These DIY bug repellents are so easy to make that even the kids can get involved. But before we get started, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more awesome DIY content. Ring the notification bell so you never miss a DIY episode. Why DIY bug repellents instead of commercial bug repellents? Now, you might be wondering, why bother with DIY solutions when store-bought repellents are readily available and mostly effective? Here are a few good reasons. Reason number 1, they're extremely cost-effective. Commercial repellents can be pricey, especially for families. These DIY options are made with readily available ingredients, saving you a significant amount of money. Reason number 2, they're made with natural ingredients. Many store-bought repellents contain DEET, a strong chemical which is effective against bugs, but it can irritate some people's skin. There may also be other chemicals in the mix, which may be harmful to other things like respiration. These DIY versions use natural ingredients that are gentler on the skin, especially for kids and those with sensitive skin, like the elderly. Reason number 3, they can easily be customized. You can easily tailor these DIY repellents to target specific bugs that bother you the most, whether it's mosquitoes, flies, or gnats. Essential oils for the win. Essential oils are a powerhouse when it comes to natural bug repellents. They have strong scents that are unpleasant to bugs, but pleasant to humans. Here are a few popular choices. Citronella oil, a classic choice. Citronella oil is known for its effectiveness against mosquitoes. Lavender oil. This calming oil not only smells great, but also repels mosquitoes, flies, and even ticks. Lemongrass oil. This citrusy oil repels a wide variety of insects, including mosquitoes, gnats, and flies. Peppermint oil. Great for repelling mosquitoes, ants, and even spiders. Be mindful though, peppermint oil can be strong, so dilute it properly. Cedarwood oil. This woody scented oil is a natural mosquito repellent and can also help keep moths away from your clothes. DIY spray repellent recipe. Alright, let's get started on our first DIY bug spray recipe. This is a simple and effective solution perfect for everyday use. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup witch hazel, a natural astringent. 30 drops of your chosen essential oil, or a combination of oils. 1 tablespoon carrier oil, like jojoba oil, coconut oil, or sweet almond oil. And lastly, an empty spray bottle. Follow these simple instructions. 1. Combine the witch hazel and essential oils in the empty spray bottle. 2. Add the carrier oil and shake well to combine. 3. Test a small amount on your inner arm before applying liberally to exposed skin. If you have a reaction, discontinue use. Otherwise, it is safe to continue. Be especially cautious where children are concerned. Remember to reapply the repellent every few hours, especially after sweating or swimming. This is particularly important for children. Here's a bonus tip. Add a few drops of aloe vera gel to this recipe for added moisturizing benefits. Solid repellent recipe for active lifestyles. Are you active outdoors and need a bug repellent that can withstand sweat and water? This solid repellent recipe is perfect for you. Here are the ingredients. 1/2 cup shea butter, 1/4 cup coconut oil, 20 drops of your chosen essential oils, and an empty chapstick tube or small container. Instructions. 1. Melt the shea butter and coconut oil in a double boiler or microwave on low power, stirring frequently. 2. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. 3. Stir in the essential oils. 4. Pour the mixture into your empty chapstick tube or container and let it solidify in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. 5. To use, rub the solid repellent onto exposed skin. Plant-based powerhouses. We're not just limited to essential oils. Here are some natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen that can be used as bug repellents. Apple cider. Vinegar. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and spray it on your clothes or exposed skin. The strong vinegar scent deters mosquitoes and flies. Lemon eucalyptus oil. This oil is a natural alternative to DEET and is effective against mosquitoes and ticks. However, be cautious not to use it on young children. Coffee grounds. Burning coffee grounds can create a smoky aroma that repels mosquitoes. Place some used coffee grounds in a small, fire-safe container and light it for a natural outdoor bug deterrent. Caution and some additional tips. Before you go wild with these DIY concoctions, here are some important things to keep in mind. Always do a patch test. Apply a small amount of your repellent to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to check for any irritation. Reapplication is key. These DIY repellents are not as long-lasting as commercial options. Plan to reapply every few hours, especially after sweating or swimming. Beware of sun sensitivity. Some citrus essential oils like lemon and grapefruit can increase sun sensitivity. Avoid using them before spending time outdoors during peak sun hours. Not for everyone. These repellents might not be effective against all bugs or for everyone. If you have severe allergies or insect bite concerns, consider a commercial repellent with a higher concentration of DEET. Before we move on, remember, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite DIY bug repellent solution? Leave a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more awesome DIY content. Ring that notification bell to stay up to date on our latest projects. All right, back to the fun stuff. Repellent for your patio. We've covered repellents for your skin, but what about keeping those pesky bugs away from your entire patio? Here are a couple of ideas. Idea number 1, citronella candles. Light a citronella candle on your patio table to create a bug-repelling zone. Idea number 2, herb garden power. Plant herbs like citronella, lemongrass, lavender, and rosemary around your patio. These fragrant herbs not only add beauty, but also naturally repel bugs. Long-term bug control solutions. Looking for a longer-term solution? Here are a couple of things to consider. Eliminate breeding grounds. Mosquitoes love stagnant water. Empty any containers that hold water around your house, like bird baths, clogged gutters, or old tires. Encourage natural predators. Attract bats and birds to your yard. These natural predators can help control mosquito populations. With a little creativity and these handy DIY solutions, you can enjoy your summer evenings pest-free without breaking the bank. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. Feel free to experiment with different essential oil combinations to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching and have a happy bug-free summer. We'll see you all in the next episode.